Hi guys, welcome to Ultimate Forex. Today 23rd December 2020 and we will see a Bitcoin. So let's see the Bitcoin chart. This is on daily time frame. As we can see here, our five waves completed here on a higher time frame, and this is A, B, and C correction. Then wave 1, 2, and third one is in progress. So let's see inside this third wave. Uh, this first wave, so our third wave is going on. So it has already passed this 161.8 percentage. So expected this wave can be up to the this 31,344. But before that, we go inside this third wave. So where we are now, let's see. This one is wave one, two, and third one is in progress. So calculate the Fibonacci. This is wave 1 and extend it here from 2. So 161.8 percentage completed around 23,800. So this is the normal waves, normal third waves. If it pass beyond this 24,200, then we may see a extend up to the 261 percentage. See, then we may see this target 32,500. But right now can see up to the 161 percentage. And wave 2 is shallow correction. Let's see the wave 2. Yeah, this is nearly between the 23 to 38.2 percentage. So we will consider it as a shallow correction. Now, if we draw a channel line from nearly the wave 2, then you may see it has taken support here. So what will be the correction up to the, and let's see find out. You can see here this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can give it name as a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can see here wave 2 was a deep correction. It is I think more than 60 50 percentage, and wave 4 is inverted shallow correction. You can see this is A, B is going above the starting point of the A, B, and C, and C is not penetrate this level. So if you can see like this inverted correction, then next wave is very fast and furious. So you see here fifth wave is how fast and steep. So this is the money making waves. Now wave 1, 2, and third one is complete here. Let's see with the Fibonacci. Wave 1, 2, 3 is exactly completed at 61.8 to 70.7. So we presently assume that our wave 5 on lower time frame is completed over here. And now wave 4 correction. Let's forecast wave 4 correction. So I have draw these yellow lines. 23.6 percentage nearly 20,800, 30.2 nearly 18, 75, 750 and 17,000. So if this is shallow correction fourth wave, then we may see up to the 20,700 to 800, and below that 18,850. So presently we will not buy the Bitcoin because if fourth wave is complex correction or shallow correction, then we may see at this level 20,700. So let's go inside the here. So we can see here this is A, B, C. This is called A wave, A, B, and C. This is called B wave, and C may be fast and furious. This is called 0, A, B, and C. Okay. Now, if we this run, if we penetrate above this one, this line, so 24,300, then our third wave will be complete near higher level 31,000. So presently we do not make any buy call till we not penetrate 24,800. So this level is important. Yeah, 24,300. So what we can do now with the SL of this one, this line 24,050. So we can draw one line here. So with the SL of 24,050, we can sell. This is wave 1, 2, and C wave is always in a 5 waves. So A, B, and C. So my target is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 20,700. So the thing is execution. How you will execute this trade, and if you sell here, your risk reward is around 6. Your risk reward is around 6, 1 gem 6. But you can convert it to 1 gem 20 also. How you can convert it? So you can sell one position here, one position after the starting of the third wave. Inside the third wave, you may see like this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what you can do here, you can sell here one lot, okay, another lot sell here. So now you have two position to sell, another lot you can sell here, and your target is 50 grand. So you have a three lot, and you can trailing the SL. First your SL is here, then after this one you sell here. When it's going in your direction, you can put the shift the SL from here to here, and you make one more position. Same is here. After the fourth wave end, you sell here, and your SL is above this level. So in this type of execution, how to add winning position, and you can make it more than 10 times risk reward. So presently we have only 1 gem 6 risk reward, You can convert into 1 M20 also. So execution is more important than analysis. So I think you understand my video and hope you achieve this good trade. Thank you.